Welcome to this Verde 2-minute video on how to install the Excel add-in. The first thing you need to do is open Excel as an administrator. So right click on Excel and choose Run as Administrator. Once Excel is open, just open a blank sheet, and we need to be able to go to the add-ins and add in the correct XLA. Mine's already added in, but I'm going to add it in again to show you. So we go to Options, Add-ins, make sure the Excel add-in is highlighted, this one here, and then we choose Go. Once it's here, you need to untick it. This will uninstall it, and you need to close Excel down and open it again so that you know the registry was updated correctly. Let's open Excel again. Make sure to right click and open it as administrator. Once it's open, let's go and add that XLA back in. So we'll go to Options again, Add-ins, and Go. Don't click on the one that exists in here. That might be an old one, or it might be from a different Greentree directory. Choose Browse, and you need to go to your local copy of Greentree. It'll be on your C drive. You'll need your administrator to tell you what the directory is. In my case, mine's called Gtree, and I need to go to the bin directory. Once I'm in the bin directory, I'll be able to see the Greentree XLA and choose OK. If you get a message that says, do you want to replace it? Say yes. Now we know we've got the correct XLA loaded on this machine in this copy of Excel. Okay, what we're going to do next is have a look at the add-ins, and we're going to make sure that it's set up correctly. This set of information you may need to also get from your system administrator. You need to make sure that you've got the correct local bin directory for your Greentree. You need to make sure it has an information or an INI file. It will be the same directory as the bin, and it should have a Jade INI in it. This system directory here is where your Greentree lives on your server. You probably won't be able to see that from your machine. Once you have those, you need to choose Register Greentree Interface. It may take a while for this message to come up. Depending on the first time round, it can take minutes. Once you have that, you click OK, Apply, and close that window down. Now we should be able to log into the XLA by using your usual Greentree login. May take a few minutes for that to open. You'll know it's open because it will give you the database status of open here. If you've got any of those paths wrong, or you've got an old XLA loaded, this is when it will come up with an error message and explain that to you. Sometimes it can take a bit of time for the XLA to click in. If it does, Excel may give you this error. Don't worry about it, just click OK. We can see that it's run through now and the database status is open. Now that that connection is open, you'll be able to upload transactions or updates to your data within Greentree. Thank you for listening.